Nigerian Chapman is the perfect drink for Lovers' Day. It is red and makes you feel lovey-dovey inside. In this video, we will see how you can make some for you and your other half. Before you make this romantic drink, make sure that all the liquids and fruits are chilled. And don't forget to make the ice cubes. Divide the citrus fruits into two and cut one half of each into thin quarters. Then cut the cucumber into thin slices. You need 2 dimpled mugs for this drink. Add the ice cubes. If you don't want the drinks to go flat as you're drinking it, you can make the ice cubes with the drinks. Add a few dashes of the Angostura Aromatic Bitters into each cup. This is what gives the drink its unique taste. Add the Grenadine Syrup till about 1/3 of the cup. It gives the Chapman the classic red color and has some sweetness to it. Half of the quantity of the Fanta into each cup, making sure you do not cheat your other half. Do the same for the Sprite. At this point, you can add Ribena Blackcurrant. It adds extra sweetness to this drink, but it's completely optional. Add the citrus quarters and cucumber and squeeze in the other halves of the orange and lemon. You can remove the orange seeds with a spoon before serving. Stir with the straws and it's ready! Remember me in your paradise when you are enjoying this drink. Bye bye!